In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to screen record on your Mac and capture audio at the same time so you can create tutorials or presentations for your clients or your team members. You'll want to open up QuickTime Player. This is an app that comes standard with every Mac. If you hit Command Spacebar, it will open up Spotlight, and then you can just kind of jump to QuickTime Player. It's going to ask you if you want to open any files on your computer. You can ignore that. Just hit, you can actually hit Cancel, and then hit File, New Screen Recording. And here you're going to have some options that are going to pop up. You're going to be able to capture the entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected portion to just an area where it'll highlight kind of the area you want to record. Or you can do record a selected portion. So this would be just doing screen captures, like an image screen capture, and then on this side it's got the record video side. So you want to be on this side here. Now, depending on if you're recording a presentation full screen, or if you just want to record an area of a screen, you can do that. And then here on the options, you can actually choose where you want the file to be saved. So you can, if you just click QuickTime Player, it's going to record it, and then it's going to pop it open in QuickTime, and then you can save it somewhere. I like to just have it stick it on the desktop so it's quick, and I can I know exactly where it is. And you can also choose which microphone you want to record. So if you have an external webcam, or if you have an external Yeti mic or something like that, you can choose that as your primary audio source. And the next step is you'll just hit record. So you've chosen your selected area, and you'll hit record. Now, it can be a little confusing, but when you could do whatever you need to here, record your video, do your presentation. The only way to stop this recording is if you go to the very top toolbar. There's actually a little stop button, and it's right on the edge of my screen, but you can hit stop at the very top on your toolbar, and that will actually stop the video and then save it and kind of open it on your desktop. So if I go back to my desktop now, I can actually see the recording that I just made. So I'm going to open it up, and you can see here. Of course, it didn't do much that was interesting, but you can kind of see I moved my mouse around, I did a few things, and that's the whole recording with audio captured as well. So you can then upload that to YouTube or to some site to share with your clients or your team members. And it's a great way to save a lot of time or save a very long email. You can just use this for a variety of different things. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like or subscribe.